Good morning friends, myself Dakshit Suthar. Recently I appeared for the SSC 56 SSB interview at Kapurthala. Unfortunately I got screened out on the first day, but as you all know that screening out of SSB is also matter of pride for all SSB aspirants. So in this video I am going to share with you about my entire journey, experience I have had at SSB Kapurthala and mistakes I have done there and all you want to know. So be patient and do watch full video in order to get all your queries solved. So guys, this video is going to be in multiple sessions. You can jump to any particular session from the timestamp given in the description below. Friends, I got mail on 7th Jan that I was selected in the SSB interview Kapurthala. But I started my preparation on the 23rd Jan because I took lots of time to think whether I should go or not. SSB preparation would be in three phases. In the first phase, you have to book a ticket and decide your route. In second phase, you have to prepare your documents, and in the third phase, you have to buy a things that is to be brought at SSB interview. For document, you have to be up to date for all your documents. But for things you have to brought, you can do compromise. For example, I was told that I have to buy a shoes with laces, but I brought a shoes without laces, so it's okay. Another example is in this corona time it was told that everyone has to brought a face shield, but so many candidates there would not brought a face shield, and they would ask to brought it from another candidate. So you can do compromise with the things, but your documents should be up to date. Friends, another thing you need to take care of is you have to brought a medical certificate signed by a doctor exactly 2 days before your journey, and also no risk certificate signed by you. Guys, please bring face shield, face mask, hand sanitizer and hand gloves with you. And please install Aarogya Setu app and Kova app as you being instructed in call-up letter. Though they would not ask you for Kova app, they would definitely ask you for Aarogya Setu app. And you have to show that you are safe on your phone from Aarogya Setu app. My another suggestion to my friends from South is that please bring winter wears, bedsheet, blanket and sleeping bags with you, as I have noticed that many South candidate is suffering from problem due to that low temperature at Kapurthala. So please take care of it. I have reached to Kalupur railway station, Ahmedabad. Now let's see how many candidates like me are there who have come here to give SSB. Guys, for going to Kapurthala from Delhi, you have to first go to Jalandhar, which is nearby city. For going to Jalandhar, you can take train from Delhi or from Nizamuddin station. And then from Jalandhar to Kapurthala, you can take a bus. It will take, I think, 30 rupees, and within 35 minutes, you will be there at Kapurthala. My train to Jalandhar was on 10 a.m. and I have reached there at Delhi at 5 a.m. So we just roam around the Delhi for 2 to 3 hours. I am at Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. My train to Jalandhar will come at 10 a.m. today, and I will reach Jalandhar by 7 p.m. today. As I told you, I reached Jalandhar at 7 p.m. and then I took a bus to Kapurthala. Most of the candidate at Kapurthala either staying at State Gurudwara or Sanatan Dharamsala, but we stayed at Sanatan Dharamsala because there would be less candidate than State Gurudwara and it would be easy for you to reach by time at Selection Center North. My experience at Sanatan Dharamsala was good. The staff was very cooperative. They charged us 150 rupees for a hall. Rooms were also available, but when we reached there, rooms were full. So if you want a proper room, then reach at previous day afternoon at Kapurthala. They gave us dinner even though we reached there at 9 p.m. and the dinner was awesome. We were called to Selection Center North at 6:30 a.m. As expected, there were a big queue of candidates coming there with luggage. Yes, you have to go there with luggage. so that if you would be lucky enough to be selected in stage 1, then you would be transferred to dormitories there. My request to all candidates is that please fill traveling allowances form previous night, because if you want, then you have to fill the form like this. Rather, it would be better for all of the candidates to fill all the required document up to best of your knowledge previous night. Firstly, they check my Arogya Setu app. Your Arogya Setu app should show that you are safe, and they check my medical certificate also. Then I was moved to another row where my qualification document was checked. Then I was allotted to a chest number and I was asked to deposit my luggage in luggage room. Here you have to deposit your mobile and also wristwatch. Only things allowed after this point is your Aadhaar card, pen, hand gloves, sanitizer, face shield, face mask and traveling allowances form. Nothing else would be allowed it after this point. So you have to deposit all the other things here. And then I was asked to have a breakfast, and after breakfast I was brought to a big hall where my OIR was conducted, and the story for my PPDT test also conducted there. Here my sincere request to all the candidates having specs and a candidate having myopia, that please bring your specs along with you, because I was transferred to the last row in the hall, and from that point a hazy picture looked more hazy. So it would be better if you would have specs. From here we were divided into group of 15 candidates, and each group were called sequentially for narration and group discussion for PPDT. Guys, this is going to be a large video, so I am going to divide this video in two parts. In second part I will tell you about my narration, about my group discussion, mistakes I have done, and problems I have had at Kapurthala, and common queries that candidates have about that SSB. Please let me know in the comments if you want part 2 of this video. Thanks guys for watching this video.